People always say the same thing about this thing, which is that the stick itself is fine, which is true. It's fine. It's actually pretty good. But they always say that the throttle is just a little bit too loose, which is not true in my opinion. Maybe I haven't updated one, I don't know. Maybe they fixed them. But whatever the complaints were about before, with them being too soft and too, like, easily to move, yeah, that's not a problem anymore. You can easily move it to any position. There even has like a little locking point that's 50% just for landing and all that kind of stuff. But it's easy to move out of, and you can adjust the tension. Now the stick, I think, is a level above that. It's pretty comfortable. It's got a nice little holding spot for your hand here. And all the buttons are very easily mappable to Microsoft Flight Simulator. And it's also very adjustable. There's a built-in dial at the bottom of it that allows you to change the tension on it, and a nice little coiler for your, for the cable, which I think is all just showing the quality of THRUSTMASTER nowadays.
Sorry for my dog snoring in the background. It's a review for my THRUSTMASTER Hotas One controller. Just have the throttle and the yoke now, for now. But I'll soon get my pedals. We recently got onto the Microsoft Flight Simulator. Next I want to get the DCS. Digital combat simulation game. Now that I have my yoke, throttle set up, hell yeah! Happy birthday to me.
Alright, so I've got some Monster Tech mounts here, which was the biggest pain to put together, I might add. Don't do it alone. But anyway, they work well enough. These are stuck on with Velcro tape. But this god-awful thing, not nearly long enough. So once you've put these wherever, most people don't have them removable. It's just not gonna work. Like, why is this here and why is it so short? There should have been two, or there should be some wireless connection between the two of them.
Okay, so straight and level, no problems with the rudder. As soon as you touch the joystick, you can see that the rudder pedals are all over the place. And sometimes it just does it like there. You can see the pedals are moving without any input from the joystick.